Hi everyone, my name is Shagor-san and welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, you will learn how to create this 5-page magazine layout, including an amazing cover page in Illustrator. We will go through the process of creating a magazine from scratch to finish. We will cover all the basics of layout design, including typography, images, and page elements. By the end of this tutorial, you will have all the tools to make sure every element of the design is in place and overall look is polished, and you will be able to create your own version of this design. So let's start creating. We will import the main image for the cover. As you can see, this image is not that big and it will not cover the whole page. We'll simply drag a shape, a rectangular shape, place the image into it. And afterwards, we can simply make a clipping mask to mask out the image. Now we will type out our header, and our font is collision bold and it is 110 pt. And now we will simply add a gold foil paper types of element into the text, and we will mask it, and this will give a proper look and a amazing feel to it. And now you're always welcome to place your own text into the design, and I will just simply copy the text from the previous layout and we'll just place it. And if you can see that we have the character called LR, which is a bold font as well, and we'll use that as well. And now we'll type the remaining text, and we will simply use the font name Avenir, and we will make a little bit of adjustment in the character panel. We will make some spacing. If you don't see this character panel, you will have to go to the Windows panel and select. And I will simply copy the text from the previous layout and place right into it. You are welcome to use your own text in case if you want to make your own version of it. We will just copy and just paste the text here. Little bit of adjustment. And now we will create a transparent gradient. As you can see in the picture, we have some white light coming out. So we will mask out this portion of this picture with a transparent gradient. So all we have to do is select the rectangle, make a rectangle with it, and select the gradient, and from the select the gradient, and from the left hand corner we will select the black, and we will make the opacity around 60-70. It's up to the image, and we'll make the right portion is 0. As you can see, it looks good. And it's not necessary, just a polishment, so the design looks good. And we'll now simply drag our other text into the design. As you can see, we have used some Christmas vector mandala. You can find these things sites like 3 gig and other vector sites which provides free icons. And now we'll simply copy paste our next text. And for our next text, we'll simply use Avener medium for the body text. And now we will use ellipse tool to create this shape. And here we go. And once you are happy with the result, you have to cut the part of the shape. Once you are happy with the result, you need to cut a part from the shape. If you can't see the pathfinder, you have to go to window navigations, or you can just press Shift Ctrl F9. You will find the pathfinder. Now, you're always welcome to use another methods, but I prefer to use pathfinder to cut out the shape. Place, and now you can just play around with the shape dimension. And once you are happy, you need to place your image into this shape. And I will just simply clipping mask onto it. And font we're using is Brush Script Empty Italic. And you can see here we have used the arrow key and the recipe inside text. And we will also drag our final text into the design. And here we have it. It looks amazing and it's all done. You can just always simply download the assets from the description. And I will also share the fonts and the images so you can make your own version of it. And this is the part 1 of our video where we covered the cover, and the next upcoming videos we will cover other pages. Thank you everyone. This is Shagor Hassan and I'm signing out today.